So in Massachusetts, sometimes people have a question about the differences between a divorce and an annulment and what's easier to get. In Massachusetts, an annulment is generally a very difficult to be able to get approved by the court. Basically, an annulment saying that the marriage never took place versus a divorce, which is basically saying that it ends. There are some particular circumstances in terms of why you get an annulment. Sometimes it's fraud on the part of one of the parties, and a variety of other very technical circumstances. A lot of times, though, people think just because the marriage is a short-term marriage that they're able to get an annulment, or because the other party was unfaithful to them, things of that nature. Generally, you'd want to talk to an attorney, though, about whether you meet any of the technical requirements for an annulment. So, for example, one of them might be that somebody was seeking to immigration consequences and seeking to get the marriage, which wasn't a true marriage, but just in order to avoid some immigration consequences. Even that's not easy to prove, but that might be one that you could make an argument regarding fraud. On the other hand, if it just didn't work out after a short period of time, or your spouse was very inappropriate or vindictive or what have you, generally it would be a divorce that you'd be filing, and generally the shorter the term the marriage, the easier it is to get a divorce without being a lot of issues, but generally it would be a divorce rather than an annulment that you'd be filing in Massachusetts.